Hello friends, this is Nitin from Nitin Speaks, and today I would like to provide my fundamental and technical analysis of this company KPI Green Energy. Before that, a standard disclaimer. I do this sort of for personal interest and passion for investments in the stock market as such, and the content shared on or through my digital media channels are for information and education purposes only and should not be treated as an advice, investment or trading advice. Please do your own analysis or take independent professional financial advice before making any investments based on your own personal circumstances. All right. So a bit about this company, KPI Green Energy. This company has been involved in the business activities of electrical power generation using solar energy. So that puts it in the renewable energy sector, which is an emerging sector as such. It has a market capitalization of about 4,000 plus crores, and the number of funds holding the stock is about 13, which is institutional funds as such. So that's a good number. Uh, Talking about the fundamental analysis as to how the financial performance has been, I would like to talk a bit about their top line and earnings. And if you see in the last 5 years, they've had a fairly impressive growth. Uh, Their top line was around 34.6 CR in March of 2019. It's steadily growing from around 59 CR in March of 2020, around 231 CR in March of 2022, and they clocked 647 CR in March of 23. And the trailing 12 months revenue is around 770 CR, and it gives them a CAGR of 121.5%. Also, their operating profit has grown from around 15 CR in March of 19 to 254 CR as such in the last trailing 12 months, and they clocked 208 CR in March of 2023, which gives them a CAGR of 97%. So if you look at their financial performance annually, it has been, fairly, straight line, fairly impressive, as such. And if you were to zoom in a bit into the quarterly analysis, and if you look at it from March of 2022, it was around the top line was 75 CR and has grown to 190 CR in June and 216 CR in September of 23. And their operating profit also has grown from around 35 CR in March of 2022, has doubled to around 71 CR, in September 2023. So their revenue has almost tripled and their operating profit has almost doubled. So that, is a fairly good growth. And as you can also notice, the growth has been fairly straight line and does not had a lot of ups and downs. So that's a good financial performance, I feel, as such, from this company. Now, a bit, about their price to earnings ratio. It stands at around 30 right now, which is not super attractive. Uh, but at the same time, it's not something which I feel is extremely high, for an emerging sector like a renewable sector. Um, yeah, around this time it was around 10, and it was a very, very good time, to be investing in the stock, at that point of time. But even now, I think, it's in a mid-range, as such, so not bad. Uh, a bit on the technical analysis. If you look at this stock, on a weekly chart, you would see that the stock has been consolidating for the last 5 months, almost from, I would say, June, till November. And in the last 2 weeks, it has broken out, with a decent volume. And it is also above all the moving averages like the 20-day moving average and the 50-day moving average and the 200-day moving average. So this is a standard breakout, for a stock which has, grown very aggressively, consolidated, and and then now it's broken out, right? So I would say from a technical perspective, it's a good, breakout, as such. So basis on this, I feel, it's a good fundamental company, and from a technical perspective, it has just shown a breakout, as such. So I felt this was a good company for me to enter, which I did in the Diwali picks. I would, and I hope this analysis helps you in thinking over, about this company as such, and please take your own independent, decision about this. This is in no way a recommendation for you to get into this company, as such. So thank you for listening into this. And before I, kind of end this analysis, I just wanted to present my various channels on which I kind of give my thoughts. So that's my YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and Telegram channel. So feel free to please follow these channels. And also, I would be very happy if you can give me any advice or any feedback on how you felt about this. And, if it's good, I would like to and would love to continue to give more such analysis on this channel. Thank you so much and signing off. See you later. Bye.